U.S. President Donald Trump is dismissing Democratic demands to include aid for cash-strapped cities in a new coronavirus relief package. Millions of cash-strapped Americans are facing deadlines for billions of dollars in past due rent as coronavirus deaths in the country rise to their fastest rate in 2 months. James Aitken reports.
As the coronavirus crisis rages, the U.S. is now facing a looming eviction crisis as a federal moratorium expires Friday on millions of apartment units. Top White House negotiators return for a third day of talks, but stark differences remain between the $3 trillion proposal from Democrats and a $1 trillion counteroffer from Republicans.
As of now, we're very far apart. We have discussed a short-term extension to UI and the eviction so that we have some period to negotiate before this runs out.
But while Trump has signaled interest in preventing a flood of evictions, he's also complaining about taxpayer money going to Democrat-run cities.
They want big bailout money for Democrats that ran cities terribly. Their cities are going down to the tubes.
Striking any agreement with Congress by Friday's deadline for expiring aid will be daunting. The outcome will be a test for the president and the parties heading into the November election as the health crisis and devastating economic fallout continue. On Wednesday, 1,461 new deaths from COVID-19 were recorded. It's the highest one-day increase since late May. Spikes in infections in Arizona, California, Florida, and Texas this month have overwhelmed hospitals. The rise has forced states to make a U-turn on reopening economies that were restricted by lockdowns in March and April to slow the spread of the virus. Many health experts say the outbreak could be brought under greater control if guidelines to maintain social distancing and to wear masks in public are enforced nationwide. James Aitken, TVB News.